Out of the Box Ministries Christian Theatre Productions, Jamaica's first mainstream Christian theatre, presents a gripping story of love, marriage, success, emotional desires, generational curses, separations, and divine reconciliation. Love takes time. Love takes time. Benefit packages now available. Call 363-1037.